how am I going to start? So cream cheese your eyelids, and you can be as messy as you want because you didn't put on your foundation. Now that I look like a reverse panda, I'm going to use my favorite palette. I love makeup. These like matte ones over here. I really look like a ghoul. I usually always slap on this NYX whatever and then see how it will come out at the end. This is the most sloppy I ever did it. I'm gonna warm it up with Coastal Scents Oktoberfest. And this is gonna be a staple because it's a transfer color I've been wanting my whole life. Shadow I could put all the way with my nose and it won't look weird and deepen and hooded. So with the red for her red eyes, I'm gonna put in my inner corners because I never seen that done before. And I want to see what it will look like. And if it doesn't look well, then I am screwed. Sugar pill. Above the grease, I'm gonna put the purple. I feel like this purple is not bright enough, so I'm gonna use something from Ben Nye, which is Cosmic Violet, from their Lunar palette, I think, on top of it. So I'm gonna blend it with Oktoberfest as usual to keep the color in there. And this is how's this color on camera? It looks a bit too purple, but it kind of matches my hair. I don't know what's wrong with these lenses, and my battery died. I got to this one over here. So I guess time to do this one like this one over here. So we're gonna go back in and we're gonna sugar pill it with Bulletproof. I don't remember what happened when the camera came off, so if I didn't blend it, I don't remember. Into my cut crease. Just gently. And kind of put some up here. 4 o'clock in the morning. Because it took my damn camera to charge that long. And I'm a bit sleepy, but artistic today. It's called Buttercup or something. Let me see what it's called. Butter something. Butter cupcake. To match with the yellow on top of her head. You know, the star. Star. Wow. The moon. I don't like the way how this red came out. We're gonna put it in here to brighten it. And you know, I could have put the red, but I think I'm gonna go with the magenta. We're not gonna darken, we're just gonna leave a piece. And go over here. A little bit. Take some off and rub. You know it's licked. And we're gonna spackle it on. Spackle it on. You know, like how we always do makeup, we spackle it on. And we're gonna dip. And spackle, spackle, spackle. I'm gonna go further in, which looks really good with the pink. It still has some spackle glitter juice on it, so I'm just gonna use it from the brush and keep going in. Did I just say spackle juice? It looks like anime, like it looks amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I wish I could have this on every day. Can you see my energy and my sleepiness and the regret? The regret. It looks uber yellow on this camera, and I am annoyed. Again, just like with the mess of white from last time, everything will be blended out. Oh, I do look like a cat with no upper lip. It looks good, it looks bright, it looks okay-ish. So can you see the highlight? Can you see the highlight? I don't know if you can. This flat brush from e.l.f. It's called a smudge brush. Never noticed. And we're gonna draw a line where the middle is. Boop. Okay. Draw one like that and there. And then go inwards and around, inwards and around. And to connect. Go up a little with this. I just noticed my dog is drinking water. We're gonna try to clean it up with a dry Q-tip. Good. Blend it in there. I'm not gonna go on the edges, I'm just gonna go in the middle of the moon. Ta-da! And you know I don't contour much, so it broke when it came. It looks blue, which is nice for fur, but it's actually nice amethyst purple. And I'm just gonna do my lips. I'm not gonna do kitty lips because everyone knows kitty lips. Did you know what I just said? Line my lips. I don't go under my lips because I like the shadow under my lips, so it makes it more fuller. These lippies are so messy. Like extremely messy. It gets everywhere, it gets on your teeth. God, they're so beautiful. I put some highlights on. I put Radiant Light, Makeup Revolution. Everyone knows this by now. I always do that. Artist Couture, Diamond Glow Conceited, which is, what if you can see it? There we go. You see that? That's Diamond Glow. This is the other powder, the Radiant Lights one from Makeup Revolution, and this one is Diamond Glow. Same here as Radiant Lights. I only put Diamond Glow on my cheeks and maybe in my eye. Whatever it's called. Look, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, right? Now I can't take it off. I don't want to take it off. Yeah, that's it. Bye.